Hello, I'm Lara Vella with the Australian Market Report for March 16, 2009. Wall Street stocks extended the rising streak for the fourth day on Friday over the upbeat expectation that the bear market was close to the end. On Friday, the Australian stocks posted a strong gain with financial sector soaring 5.3%, capping the best week for the market in 3 months. The ASX 200 rose 6% for the past week, but analysts say that it is too early to say the end of a bear market, although the US banks delivered surprise turnarounds. At 2:30 p.m. today, the benchmark S&P ASX 200 index was up by 26 points to 3,371. Looking now at key economic facts and figures, according to research and consultancy firm Market Intelligence Strategy Centre, despite borrowers reluctant to return to the mortgage market, the market actually rebounded by 12% in the 3 months ended December. This reflects the results of 3 interest rate cuts totalling 2.75% in the quarter and the government's incentive scheme for first home buyers. And today, the Australian Bureau of Statistics will release figures on lending finance for January. To mergers and acquisitions news, Chinalco proposed a $30 billion investment in Rio Tinto and will receive an extra 90 days of scrutiny from the Foreign Investment Review. Computershare Limited has agreed to acquire Kurtzman Carson Consultants LLC for US $85 million and 2.45 million shares in Computershare. However, the deal is subject to US regulatory approval. To corporate news now, and the ANZ Bank denies the bank will make any material cuts to jobs in 2009, including jobs in Australia. The bank has set an ambitious target for becoming the most profitable institutional banking business in the Asia-Pacific region. Arrow Energy said its subsidiary Arrow Energy International will farm into a 75.25% operating interest in Far East Energy's 66.5% interest in the Quinan CBM PSC coal seam methane project in China. The Australian coal seam gas producer also announced today it will not proceed with the compulsory acquisition of the shares it does not own in Pure Energy Resources Limited. The share price of Crown jumped 13.5% on Friday following news that the deal to purchase Cannery Casino Resorts had been renegotiated. Atlas Iron Limited has announced in a statement that it has entered into 2 new long-term offtake agreements with 2 medium-sized Chinese steel mills. The 2 offtake agreements account for 50% of iron ore that will be produced from its 100% owned Pardo DSO project for the 3-year period to the 31st of March 2012. And Qantas risks taking a multi-million-dollar hit to its earnings because of a looming shortfall in its superannuation scheme caused by the dramatic fall in returns from financial markets. That was the Australian Market Report for March 16th. I'm Lara Vella.